Hello, good day. So this is my midterm activity 2 emoji reaction board. So let's start it. So as you can see in my main HTML, I have a div class equals to emoji bar. So this is where my emoji buttons are placed. You can see there's smile, the heart, the devil, the laugh, the shock. So this is where my emoji buttons stored or placed. And then I have another one here, div class equals grid, the grid. So this is the grid where emojis will appear. So this empty at first because it will be filled by JavaScript. So and then my script.js, so it's here. So as you can see, this HTML document sets up a toolbar for emoji buttons and an empty grid container. So the JavaScript file is linked at the bottom to make everything interactive. So and next is let's go to my style. The background color is white, display flex, the texture column, aligned in the center, as you can see here. And the padding is 40 pixels. And with my heading 2, so it's my margin bottom 20 pixels, a color black. And I have my emoji bar here, the margin bottom is 30 pixels. So as you can see here, in my emoji button, the font size 24 pixels, the padding is 10 pixels, the margin is 6 pixels, border is none, and it has a transition, it transforms 0.2 seconds. And here in my emoji button selected, so this shows the highlighted emoji button. So as you can see, so this makes the emoji button styled and clickable, as you can see here, right? And then in my grid, as you can see here, the grid, so it creates a responsive layout with 6 equal columns. You can see here, right? 6 equal columns. So displays grid template repeat 60 pixels, and the gap is 10 pixels. So as you can see here, as you can see here, the CSS arranges buttons and grid layouts. So using modern styling like grid template columns, the dot selected class, as you can see here, it gives a visual feedback when an emoji is selected. Right, as you can see there. So let's go to my JavaScript. So this is the main. So let's come to the main focus here. So as you can see, there's a const, emoji buttons. So recommend that query selector on. So here is the let selected emoji equals to null. So this function here, it's like it keeps track of which emoji is active. And then the button, add event listener, so click there, emoji buttons that for each, the button is button class remove, selected. So first, so this this removes the selection highlight from all buttons, and then if selected emoji equals to button that text content selected emoji equals to null. So as you can see here, is a emoji. So this function, if we click the same emoji again, so it selects it, right? See here. Else, selected emoji buttons, text content button that class list add selected. So otherwise, it becomes a selected emoji and is highlighted. So in my, and then next is my my um my this this function, as you can see here, for this my grid. This is the grid creation. So it creates so for let I is equal to 0, I is less than 36, I is plus const cell equals to document that create element div. So this creates the 36 square div elements as grid cells, and then here another here the cell that add event listener, we click. So if selected emoji return, so only works if an emoji is selected. So this makes it if only, so you just put the emoji if only there's a emoji that is selected, right? And then if here, if cell that text content equals selected emoji, the cell that text content equals to. So if the emoji is already there, clicking again removes it, as you can see here. So and then else cell that text content selected emoji, so otherwise the emoji is placed or replaced. And then this is my live demo guide. So let's show you. So if I click an emoji here, so it becomes it's like it's a highlighted, right? If I click, it highlights the emoji, and then we start clicking initials, so they appears here. And then if you click them again, they will be removed. So that's it. Thanks for watching.